Good evening and welcome to the DataBard News. I'm your host, Evan Chartwell. Microsoft Fabric's Community Conference 2025 wrapped up as of last week with more than 6,500 people in attendance, and as expected, it had more announcements than a tidal wave of textiles. As always, we've trimmed the content to cover our highlights in our top stories with our Fabric correspondent, Fablik.
Ooh.
Hello and good day, my Fabric tailors. As always, I'm here with the best of the best, and these announcements are about to go viral. Enough chit-chat, let's go to the content. Every fashionista knows the importance of mirrors, and the makers of Fabric know how to make your reflection appealing. In a highly anticipated announcement, Fabric Mirroring now supports navigating through private endpoints of Azure SQL DB, managed instance, and Snowflake using on-prem or VNet gateways. And if you followed my channel, you know I've been waiting for this for ages. We now have an easy yet secure way to ingest data into Fabric real time, and that is fabulous. And if that wasn't good enough, another breakthrough, mirroring heap tables will now be supported in Azure SQL DB, should you not have any indexes on your database tables. Much of the other mirroring options on the horizon remain the same, with mirroring on-prem versions of SQL Server, Oracle, and Dataverse on the horizon. Check this video's description for links that cover these announcements in more detail. Last year, I rated Copilot fairly low in previous videos because it was only available in F64 or higher SKUs. Well, get ready for Copilot to rise up in my ranks, as it will now be available in all Fabric SKUs. According to Microsoft, this change will take a few weeks to get all regions in place, but after that, we will be flying. It's a Copilot, get it? Okay. Have a go-to outfit to use when you're at the beach? Well, you'll need it for this next announcement. OneLake Security. In this update, you'll be able to apply granular level security on data assets within OneLake directly. Once applied, any solution that attempts to access the dataset will have to face OneLake security. Using data in a Power BI report? Protected. Trying to find a lakehouse you don't have access to in OneLake's File Explorer? Sorry, no can do. Want to populate your Excel report with data from OneLake? Yep, that is also protected. This feature may be in preview, but the style guide says this feature will change the data security landscape in Fabric and beyond. Sometimes your customized wardrobe has seen wear and tear over the years, and moving to a new outfit just takes too much work. A simplified tool would help immensely, and for those using Azure Synapse, that tool is here. The Synapse Migration Tool provides organizations who have invested heavily in the product a seamless approach to migrating to Fabric. Through a UI experience, users can migrate the structure, highlight areas of concern, and fix them with differential capabilities. And then also migrate the Synapse data once the structures and process are moved. And here's the best part. Once migrated, the tool will help identify sources that connect to Synapse and repoint them to Fabric. Oh, and by the way, Microsoft is boasting this tool will enable organizations to migrate from Synapse to Fabric in 1 hour. Talk about fast. With luck, this feature will get users moving to a new platform, that is. This creator loves working with Spark, and FabCon gave us a great announcement. The ability to turn a T-SQL cell's results in a notebook into a Spark data frame. Now I can mix my favorite languages as I choose, using the benefits of both. And for our final announcement, a joke if you will. What do you call a chaotic pile of books that change their content every time you open them? A variable library. Oh, come on, any level of studious nature had to have seen that coming. Look, a variable library is what it says it is, a library that stores variables for use within a given environment. A simple use case, but need different values for dev, test, and prod environments? This lets you define all of them in one place. And the nice part is, many parts of Fabric will be able to reference the variable directly. Even Notebooks, which now has a function called in Notebook Utils. I'm super excited for this one because it will help organizations more efficiently and effectively build non-production environments. That's all for my favorite announcements of FabCon 2025, and I have to say, between that and the swag, this solution has me begging for more. Back to you, Evan. This concludes our announcements of the FabCon 2025 announcements. What was your favorite announcement? While hitting that like and subscribe button, make sure to sound off in the comments on your favorite announcement, and let's keep the conversation going. For now, I'm Evan Chartwell. Good evening, and good data.